Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm coming to you with some Christmas card ideas. I'm not an expert in card making, I just want to share with you some inspiration and show you what cards I've created this year. It's again probably not the easiest way, as you can just go to shop and buy some really nice and inexpensive cards. I just think handmade cards are a really nice touch and I always got so much fun creating them. I put Christmas music on, have warm tea with me, put the candle on, and it's becoming really Christmassy. I really like this time of the year. So I won't be explaining super deeply what I'm doing. It's probably just easier to see me doing it and see what techniques I'm using. So if you haven't made any Christmas cards yet and you are looking for some inspirations, I hope you find them in this video. And for now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the spirit of Christmas card making. For all my cards, I will be using this already cut paper cards. I bought them in pack of 10 in Poundland, but they are really good quality. I've got them in two different colors. Starting with the white one, I sketch shape of Christmas tree, which is just a simple triangle. Then I make small dots on the edges of my triangle in straight lines. Now, using needle, I'm punching the small holes out everywhere where I made the dots. And on the top of my tree, I will create a little star. I take quite thick thread and put it through the needle, making a knot at the end. So what I'm going to do is basically embroider Christmas tree on my card. I've used this technique before in my back to school video. It's really simple. All you have to do is go with your thread through all the holes you created before, creating Christmas tree shape. Of course, which way you go is entirely up to you. You can make different look of your tree. There is so many options, just plan it before and draw it on some piece of paper. Create the knot inside the card to secure the thread. And then I done the same with the star using yellow thread. To finish it off, I am using again my Merry Christmas stamp and black ink. With the inside part of the card, you can just leave it how it is or take some piece of paper and glue it on the top of it. Because I really like the effect on this card, I've decided to do another one. This time I'm going to embroider white snowflake on craft paper. I'm starting the same way with sketching my design and then making holes for my thread and needle. You can really embroider whichever design you want. I chose a simple patterns with straight lines. For my next card, I will be using some ready wooden decorations. I bought them in some craft store, but in this time of the year you can find them in many other places as well. It can be any shape you like. I just want this card to have more like a 3D effect with all these items sticking out. Using gold Sharpie, I create triangle shape. I glue my Merry Christmas sign on the top of the card. And for the snowflakes, I'm using hot glue and I'm placing them on the triangle edges. Super easy idea, no skills needed, but it looks quite interesting with these elements sticked out. With the pencil, I draw some bubbles on my craft card. Then, using this gold marker pen, I trace around the created lines. I think this shiny gold pen will look really nice on craft paper. Very simple design and technique, but the result is very glamorous and classy. To finish it off, I added some silver dots and red stars. And my last idea is to paint something on your card. Trust me, I'm not that talented at painting, but I really enjoy doing it. I usually do some sketch before I paint. This time I drew few stockings hanging down from branch. Again, very easy design but super cute. No one expecting a masterpiece from you. You can paint anything you associate with holidays. I'm using acrylic paints in different colors. Then, using black gel pen, I draw edges around my stockings and the rest. I think it gives better finish and it almost looks like this card was printed. Then I'm going to fill this card a little bit more, adding some greenery around. I think it turned out really nice, more colorful comparing to the previous designs, but something a little bit different and more funky. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and these ideas for Christmas cards. If you do, please click the like button, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content and want to see more DIY projects. Also let me know in the comment section if handmade cards are something what you like or something what you do for special occasions. And for now, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.